Today we're going to do the gearbox oil on the TP690 Flail Mower. So to start with, you're going to need a 10mm spanner and release the level bung. So next you're going to need a 17mm spanner to release the fill plug. If you take one out and release, slacken off the second one, it stops there being air getting trapped and making it hard to fill. Then you need a long funnel. It doesn't go right in, it just sits inside the hole. So we're going to add oil until it comes out of the first bolt you remove, the 10mm. That's the correct operating level. It's normally about 1.6 litres. So as soon as it starts to dribble out, you need to get the bung back in. It doesn't need to have stopped coming out. And remember to tighten this one up. So next we're going to replace the main fill plug. I'll re-tighten with a 17mm spanner. So these just need nipping up, they don't need to be over tightened. And remember to redo up the one that we loosened to release the air.